Friends, welcome to the seventh episode of the series Bird Watching Aquatic Birds. The Glossy Ibis is one of the most elegant and fascinating wetland birds. This bird is known for its graceful movements, long curved bill, and shimmering feathers. Although it appears dark from a distance, the sunlight reveals a spectacular display of metallic green, bronze, purple, and chestnut colors, giving the bird's name Glossy Ibis. Glossy ibis is a medium-sized wading bird measuring about 50 to 66 centimeters in length and weight approximately 500 to 900 grams. One of the distinctive features of this bird is its long, slender, downward curved bill, which is perfectly adapted for probing the mud for food. Its long and slender legs allow the bird to walk comfortably through shallow water. Glossy ibis inhabits marshes, swamps, floodplains, rice fields, shallow lakes, rivers, mangroves, estuaries, and wetlands. These birds usually feed in small groups, slowly walking through shallow water. Its diet includes aquatic insects, beetles, dragonfly larvae, worms, snails, crabs, shrimps, frogs, tadpoles, small fish, and seals. During a breeding season, adult birds display a stunning plumage. The head, neck, and body are rich in chestnut brown color, while the wings are shimmer with metallic shades of green, bronze, and violet colors. In India, the breeding season occurs during a monsoon or after monsoon. Thin, pale lines often appear around eyes and at the base of the bill during breeding season. After breeding season, this plumage becomes dull. Glossy ibis are colonial nesters and they build nests in large groups, often along the side of other water birds. These colonies may contain dozens or even hundreds of nests. Both male and female birds build their nest using twigs, reeds, sticks, grass, and aquatic vegetation. Nests are constructed on shrubs, reeds, and mangroves. The female bird normally lays 3 to 5 pale bluish green eggs. Both male and female incubate the eggs for 20 to 23 days. After the incubation, chicks will come out, and chicks are completely dependent on parents for first few weeks. Both male and female feed the chicks by regurgitation they feed. That means the adult bird partially digests the food and bring it back to the mouth from its stomach and feed it to the chicks. After 6 to 7 weeks, the chicks are independent and they survive on their own. Indian pond heron, straight heron, and black-crowned night heron are the three varieties of heron bird. Black-crowned night heron is one of the most fascinating and mysterious member of heron family. Unlike other heron birds that are active during the daytime, this bird comes alive at dusk, so called as night heron. With its calm, patient nature and excellent night vision, it is a highly skilled hunter of wetlands. The adult bird measures about 65 centimeters in length and the wingspan is 112 centimeters. This bird has a stocky body, relatively short neck, and a thick pointed out black bill. Interestingly, the adult bird has a glossy black crown and pale grey wings, white underparts, and red eyes. During breeding season, two or three long white plumes extend gracefully from back of its head, making it more attractive. Juveniles are brown with white spots. Black-crowned night heron spends most of the daytime resting quietly in dense trees and become active during evening and night. It usually hunts alone. Breeding season starts from June to September. The nest is a simple platform made up of sticks, twigs. Nests are built in trees, mangroves, and in dense shrubs near the water. Female lays 3 to 5 pale bluish green eggs. After an incubation period of 26 days, chicks will come out and the parents will take care of chicks for about 6 to 8 weeks. So, friends, that's all about these two interesting aquatic birds. I will be back with you with some few interesting birds and their characters. Thank you for watching this episode. Thank you very much.